Hello everyone. So today we are solving 1426, which is basically counting elements. It says that given an integer array, count how many elements x there are, such that x plus 1 is also an array. Okay. If there are duplicates in array, count them separately. Okay. So basically, if 1 is present, 2 should also be present in the array. And if there are two twos, I want to count them twice. So basically, if this was 1, 2, 3, 1 for 1, 2 is present, so count as 1. For 2, 3 is present, so count as 2. For 3, 4 is not present, so answer is 2. But if we had duplicates, so 1 for 1 we have 2, and for 1 we have another 2. So it needs to be 2. And then for 2 we have 3, and then for 2 we have 3, right? So it should be 4. Okay, let's try and run this. Is this what they're expecting? So for this, okay, let's now just return 0. I just want to make sure that for this, if I'm counting 1 for 2, 1 for 2, and then for this, it should have 4, right? Wait, what? Case 3. Oh, they expect it to be 3. Okay. So for 1, there's 2. And for 1, there's 2. And then for 2, there's 3. For 2, there's 3. Okay, so basically you just count it once. So it's like me saying that for a given number, check if it's duplicate, if it's plus 1 is there. And then that's it. And then I'm going to start with 2 and I'm going to check if it's 3 is there. And then I'm going to start with 2 and then let's check if 3 is there. Okay. So yeah, I think what we can do here is we can have a hash set which will keep track of all the numbers, unique numbers that I have. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to traverse over the nums array again. And I'm going to see if the plus 1 number is present in my hash set. If it is, I'm going to increment the count. Yeah, I think that's all you need to do. So hash set of integer, hash set equal to new hash set. And then what I'm going to do is for int num in nums hash set dot add num. I think there's a way to even initialize that. Okay, this is array. But I don't remember the way to do it. So let's ignore it for now. And then what you're going to do is I'm going to go over the nums again, right? And then if my hash set dot contains that num plus 1, right? Then let's have a counter variable, which will be 0. I'm going to do count plus plus. And then at the end of it, I'm just going to return count. Yeah, this looks good. And submit. Awesome. In terms of time complexity, is O of n. Actually, it's O of 2n because first I'm going over for the hash set and then for the count. But we can write that as n. And for space, it is at max O of n. In case all numbers are distinct, my hash set is going to have all distinct numbers. So it is O of n and O of n. And that's it. Awesome. Thank you.